Hello everyone, welcome back to Budgetstar Media. Are you tired of waiting for a VN video editor to compress your videos before editing? Well, in this video I'm going to show you how to prevent that from happening. So let's get started. So here's the step-by-step guide that I'm going to show you in this video. So the first thing is to open the VN video editor. Then next thing to do is to tap on the user icon that is usually found at the bottom right corner of your screen. So now select the setting menu by tapping on the icon at the top right corner, that's this icon here. Then select preview performance. So this will show you different resolutions. So from this you will select not compressed. So this will ensure that your videos are imported without compression. After that, you tap the back arrow at the top left as it has automatically saved the settings. So when you do that, it will take you back to the VN editor interface where you have to create a new project. So tap on the plus icon to start importing your videos. So by the time you do that, VN editor will now import your videos without compressing them. As you can see here, it's not showing that again. So it's as simple as ABC, that's it. So by following these simple steps, you can prevent VN video editor from compressing your videos before editing. I hope you understand this process. So don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. If you find this video helpful, kindly like and share it. And if you have any question, comment below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.